In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Afghan ambassador in Kyrgyzstan meets with the Chinese ambassador in Bishkek. Full reclamation of 9 residential complexes based on ruling of a special court addressing land grabbing cases over the past 3 years. And signing of a new US-India Defense Cooperation Agreement. Welcome to our today news package. It's Saturday, the 10th of Jamadul Awal 1447, the 10th of Akrab 1404, and the 1st of November 2025. The news details. Maulavi Abdul Shakur Haqqani, Afghanistan's ambassador in Kyrgyzstan, met with Ms. Liu Jinping, the Chinese ambassador to the host country. Based on the Afghan embassy in Kyrgyzstan, the two sides discussed bilateral political, economic, and cultural relations, the regional security situation, and ways to strengthen peace and stability in the region. Ambassador Liu described Afghanistan as a significant and historic country in the region, emphasizing that the country's stability and development are of vital importance for the entire region. She added that China seeks to expand its relation and cooperation with Afghanistan across various fields. The Commission for the Prevention of Land Usurpation and the Restoration of the Seized Lands announced that over the past 3 years, 9 residential complexes have been fully reclaimed and declared as state property in accordance with the rulings from special courts dedicated to land grabbing cases. The complexes cover more than 50,000 jiribs of land located in provinces of Kabul, Maidan Vardak, Ghazni, and Nangarhar. The Commission further reported that approximately 4 million jiribs of additional state land have been reclaimed across the country from illegal occupants during the same period, while cases involving millions of other jiribs remain under review. The news continuation. The Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock announced that olive oil production at Nangarhar Canal Agriculture Enterprise has increased by 40% compared to last year. According to the Ministry, this year's olive oil production is estimated at 190,000 liters, up from 135,000 liters the previous year. It added that last year's total olive yield at Enterprise was 1,100 tons, which has now risen to approximately 1,600 tons. And the last news. The U.S. Secretary of Defense, Peter Higgs, announced on his official X account that he has signed a 10-year defense cooperation agreement with his Indian counterpart, Ranjit Singh. Higgs described the accord as a significant step forward in strengthening defense collaboration with the two nations. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.